I could call him then.
We would like to welcome everyone here to the Cosplay Wrestling Federation! How many of you know about us? I see a lot of wonderful hands. Please make sure you check out our social media at Cosplay Wrestling Federation, and make sure you give a like and check out all of our events happening throughout California and beyond. Are you ready for a wonderful show? That sounds fun, but I think you feel something good. Are you ready for a wonderful show? Alright, first thing we need to introduce our wonderful CEO of the Cosplay Wrestling Federation and the baddest woman in the world. Give it up for LaShayda! What's good, CWF Universe? I am so happy to be here right on the moment. You good here too? Y'all having a good time? Alright, take this. And of course, our second host of this event. Please give it up for Matt, the Rockstar Issue.
CarrierCon, I have to actually applaud you. By being on this boat, you are, this is probably, judging by the smell, the closest that any of y'all been to a source of water. So maybe after this show, you're gonna muster up enough energy to walk your lazy, pathetic, poor lives into a shower and, well, shower. How do you think about that? I try to give you life advice and you boo me. What's the matter, Hornet? Did that sting? Boo, you stink!
Sharks! Okay. Are you guys ready for a show? Alright.
Wait. Sorry, Wendell. This is your first time doing this. I know you're an amateur, but we got some procedures to go through. How many here don't know how this show works? Raise your hand. Ah, cool. Oh, God, maybe next time we can do that.
But seriously, the Cosplay Wrestling Federation lives and dies by the cheers and reactions of people in this audience. So if a wrestler says something you like, such as, I don't know, I think more VTubers should be a CarrierCon, you should respond by saying, alright, cool. And if somebody says something you don't like, I don't know, CarrierCon should double the badges for next year, how do you respond? Hey, wait, we're gonna test these guys, ready? Alright, I'm not gonna tell you how to react. I'm gonna give you a statement. I'm gonna see how you react, ready? Matt the Rockstar Rashid is the greatest guest that CarrierCon has ever seen. You didn't even let me finish the statement.
It's Matt the Rockstar. She is the greatest guest the CarrierCon has ever seen and will continue to see for the rest of its existence. How do you...
Okay.
Wait, ask them a question.
Sorry.
I think they're just idiots. Why don't give them something?
I think that
Cosplayers should be able to enjoy themselves, but
be well protected amongst each other so that we can always make sure that everyone is having a safe and wonderful time.
I can't even make fun of that statement. That's just objectively correct. You guys ready for the show? The following contest is to determine the Cosplay Wrestling Federation Best of All Time! Introducing first, our challenger. Hailing from Australia, weighing in at 135 pounds. What's that? What? Meister
How's it going, CWF fans? I said, how's it going? This is my first time up on the CWF stage. I got invited from a secret source. Can't say where I got it from, but I had to wonder and ask myself. I spent tireless nights as the best incel person in the world, wondering, why am I even coming? But then, I had to go babysit a sweet little girl named Ronnie. Right here. Which reminded me what my real goal was here. Not for glory. No. The reason why I'm doing the CWF thing, this is for everybody. The everyman. This is for the parents who have their best friend go babysit their kid. Or maybe, perhaps, have their best friend walk their dog. Or even, the best friend who might be a little bit afraid of asking that cute girl out. But I know what I really want to do also. I'm here for the nation of Estonia. I am here to unite the East and the West. So, if you believe in me, for the everyman, well then, I think you know who you want to vote for.
Yeah!
Go Frankie! Go Frankie! Go!
Go Frankie! Go Frankie!
Give it up for Franklin!
Hey, Frankie! You got it.
Here comes our next contender. Hailing from the United States of America, weighing at 200 pounds of young CWF Universe. How are you doing in America? Yes, that's what I love to hear. I am Bandit Keith, and I am born and raised in America. So, I see everybody's here enjoying this fine American establishment of a good American history. As you see, I just came back from my American World Tour in my Ford F-150. the world, America.
What?
However, I'm a little perturbed. Why in the hell would you hold an anime convention on a goddamn warship? I mean, come on! We're here enjoying great American heroes who gave their lives to defend this country, but you're here looking at ship waifus? You guys are all disgusting! I mean, Jesus, come on! We're on a very nice national landmark here! But you know what? It's okay. Because you know why? We're here in America. Now, before I start butthole all the competitors that come up here, I need to promote one good thing. My best friend, Matt Sheeta, he dropped his new EP this morning. And you better pay for the Battle Pass, which is one installment of $99.99. Tell me better, Keith! Now, if you want to see a true American take the title, let me hear it in America.
Mexico!
Filipino! Pinoy for life!
That right there was the most beautiful example of someone showing their First Amendment rights in America. I can't stop crying. Buckets of tears. You're disgusting, man. Toxic masculinity much? Here comes our next contender.
Who is it?
Coming from the Caribbean, weighing at 3 bushels of sugar cane, Steve
But thank you for granting me entry to CarrierCon! As you may or may not know, my name is Steve Bonnet. I quit piracy twice. I've come here to CarrierCon to see this cosplay wrestling. Through my years of sailing the seas, I've seen all types of wrestling. This show is great. However, it lacks a little pizzazz. Just as I put the pageantry back into piracy, I aim to do the same here for this show you have. So, if you would like to see more pizzazz, stick around.
Pizzazz? Is that a word? It's a word. It's a word.
Give it up for Speedboat.
Pizzazz? Get ready for our next contender. Hailing from and his weighted paper. Please welcome CarrierCon.
questions, I've heard a few, like who is Parappa? What does a doggy do? Now you may not know me yet, but you will know me soon. But first there's a small thing I need from all of you. When I say, I gotta do what? You all say, I gotta believe. Let's give it a try. Please don't be shy. I gotta do what? I gotta believe. I gotta do what? I gotta believe. So my story begins back when I was a pup. I wanted to be a hero and get my courage up. So I trained every day with Onion Sensei. So he told me, I still remember the things that he always would say. One simple thing that I need to achieve. I gotta do what? I gotta believe. I gotta do what? I gotta believe. So I set out on my journey, I began my quest. I swore to never rest until I was the best. I started off just another rap DOG, but then I kicked, punched, turned it around till I became a GOD! So now I set my sights on that CWF title. Best of all time, how could I stay idle? I swore from the start I'd be #1, and when it comes to my flow, I am second to none. Now I gotta leave soon, but before I do, I got a small message for the rest of the crew. Now's the time to back down if you ain't feeling so hot, because when it comes to round 2, I'm coming out with a kill shot. One more time for Parappa the Rapper.
That is not my kind of rap that I like.
Matt, you sound so threatening. Probably the more CDs than you ever had.
Look, I listen to real rappers.
Like him.
Macklemore.
I will take that turn. The chick turn.
What? This time?
Let's go on
okay.
to our final competitor. Hailing from the concrete jungle.
Time to clock in!
Well. Looks like Matt got something right. Cause I thought it was high tide, but all of y'all people smell like a bunch of poo-poo. Poo? Y'all smell like poo. Do you know who I am? My name is Bill Dick. I am the kingpin of construction. I am the Rough Rider of CarrierCon. You know, I was just like you people. You know, work hard, think I get what I deserve. Now, I take what I deserve. I look at you, and I see a bunch of softies. And you in the pink hair, better watch out before I drop you on your chin. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm not here to make friends. I'm not here to build bridges. I'm here to make money. You people boo, but you wouldn't last a second in my size 15 work boots, so shut up! Oh, you look cute right there! actually boot up your keister. So to everyone who thinks they can stand up to the 7-foot skyscraper, I welcome you to come into my construction zone so I can humble you. And to everyone in the back who thinks they can stop me from getting my bonus paycheck, well, I want to see you try.
Okay.
Because when you stand up to build in, you stand up to the unstoppable structure. And that's the bottom line. Because Bill did said so.
He's not here to make friends, he's here to make money.
Yeah, money.
Come on!
I mean, even I relate to that.
Yeah! Respect the hustle.
Alright, CWF Universe, how y'all doing today? Alright, that was every single one of our competitors. So give a round of applause to all of them. Now we are going to the semifinals. And I want everyone to come up to the stage.
Oh, that part, yes.
Yay! Not you, no! You're
Yes, please, everyone who's in the first round, come to the stage.
Let's give it up for Bandit Keith! Give it up for the Funkmaster, Krakencon!
He's as small as you!
Give it up for Steve O'Neill! One more time for Bill D! And finally, give it up for Parappa the Rapper!
So here's what's happening. These are our competitors. Shortly after this, we're going to introduce our champion. Our competitors will issue a challenge to the champion, and I can't believe I'm saying this. It is up to you to pick who fights the champion for the championship match, where we will decide who will walk away CarrierCon 2024 as the best of all time. So competitors, I need to ask you to vacate the stage so our champion can take it. Are you ready to meet our champion?
Consider the following. Science is not just about getting an answer once and sitting on it forever. Science requires constant reanalysis, study, peer review, re-examining when new evidence comes out. And that is why I'm here today. Because 1 year ago, I came up here and I proved myself the best of all time! But new evidence has presented itself. So we need to reanalyze, restudy, and see if I can still hold on to this title. So this is my peer review. So without further ado, my peers.
Okay. Come on, hurry. Hurry. Oh!
I said my peers. Sit down.
All right. Bill Nye semifinalists are lined up on the stage. Are each lead to a challenge. Let's see who talks to them first.
I see you there, science man. Now here's the truth. What's your real purpose here?
What are you fighting for? Scientific truth? Well, here's the thing. I'm fighting for something way more grand. I'm fighting for my friends, my family. I'm fighting for a whole nation that needs to be reunited. So, I don't know about you, man. Hope that your reason's really grand.
Really? Really? Bill Nye, the science guy?
Yeah!
You teach science? One of the most boring subjects in history?
Science rules!
Sure, you can put a rock into some water and then you get mud. But that's where I'm gonna go now when I'm done with you. And you know what? Science major was American history. And you know what American history pretends? Victory! That's what I hear. And besides everybody is back. Grab the rapper. Why grab I know? Vanilla ice. And besides, you're going down high. All the way down. In America!
Bill Nye, how nice to finally meet you. As a man of the ship, I too know a thing about peer review. In fact, I've watched Lucius fall off the ship at least 3 times right into the water. However, and I do love a man of science, I spent a very long time on the island of the Galapagos with Darwin. However, I think you are slacking on your coach game. As I said earlier, I came here to put the pizzazz back into this show. And this old threadbare stayed-up coat will not do.
I gotta do what? Now, I think you all remember what I promised you in the last time. I promised a kill shot, right? Yeah! Well, a gun doesn't just happen in one shot. So first, Mr. Franklin. Who are you again? I thought the show was Spy Family, not Spy Friend. And then Bill Ding Dong. This won't take long. You're hardly even a word 2 bars in this song. You talk a big game and think your collar is blue, but you're on my ship now. Not even OSHA can say you! And let's disrespect Dan and Keith. You're all bark and no bite like a dog without teeth. You really think a cheat like you deserves to take the helm? I should backhand this poser right back to the Shadow Realm. And now to dress Mr. Steve Bonnet. It came from a battle, best believe that I brought it. But you're a coward, so don't waste much breath. Don't expect quarter, cause my flag is dead! And I know this isn't fair, I'll give a handicap to you. I'll give you some time, go ahead and call your crew. We all know you can't lead them, you'll lack the know-how. Look at me, Bonnie, I'm the captain now. Now let's address Mr. Bill Nye. I see your lab coat, and I see your bow tie. I bet all the girls say he's pretty hot for a white guy. And you say, Mr. Bill Nye, that you're the best of all time? Well, I think that's a lie. You want to disprove my theory? Name me the contender. I'll prove once and for all who is the pretender.
But you put you against Bill Dig, and that statement is not true. They call you Bill Nye, the science guy. You can call me Bill Dig, the king of the ring. Now let me give you credit. You got pretty far here, talking the talk. Well, can you walk the walk? You put me in the ring with you, I got a theory for you, and it's concrete evidence. I'm ready to build my foundation and to show everyone who's the better Bill in this ring. All right. That was quite some evidence that each of us presented. Now, allow me to respond in kind. Frankie, you pulled some amazing moves coming up here. If we were up against each other in Dancing with the Stars, I don't know if I'd be able to win, but this isn't Dancing with the Stars. And Becky, congratulations, you proved you've learned one thing about geography. Let's see, have you on any other subject, anything at all? In fact, name one other country. One other. USA! That's what I thought. And Steve, thank you from the pirates who don't do anything. I know you were saying some stuff about my lab coat, but here's the thing. My lab coat gets dirty because I'm in the lab, putting in the work. You managed to remain unblemished despite all the time I've seen because you run away the second things start getting dirty. Parappa the Rapper. You know, there was actually an episode of my show all about sound and music and how sound waves travel and how changing the pitch and tone can make things more pleasant or irritating, and I really wish you saw that episode to get the first bit about music theory. And finally, building. I'm not going to say there's room for only one Bill in CWF. We've got Billy Mays, that's two, but you're kind of pushing it there, and I have looked at your architecture. I would not hire you to build the restrooms for Nye Labs. Hey, you better watch your mouth.
So, these are my potential competitors. Who will be putting me to the test? I'm going to leave that up to all of you.
Can I have the rest of the competitors on the stage right now? Alright, I'm going to bring someone out and we're going to hear from you to see who makes it to the final round. If we think Frankie should make it to the final round, make some noise! If we think Bandit Keith should make it to the finals, make some noise!
What about Steve Bonet? Parappa the Rapper! Building!
I need to double check something. We have a tie between two people. We need to be absolutely sure. Building!
Parappa the Rapper!
Congratulating the #1 contender for the Boat title, Parappa the Rapper!
We now present to you our main event, and it is for the CWF Best of All Time. Introducing the challenger, Parappa the Rapper. And now, our reigning and defending Best of All Time champion, Bill Nye, the Science
Guess that means I'm first on the mic. I gotta do what? I gotta do what? Now, Mr. Nye, can I call you Bill? I can't afford to hold back, so I'm gonna have to shoot to kill. You're the last thing standing between me and my dream, so forgive me if I get a little extreme. For example, I don't mean to disparage, but you've had that title longer than you've had your first marriage. I'm sorry, did I take that too far? Should I have stuck to saying I would break you like a Kit Kat bar? But seriously, I respect you. I'll let you say your piece. Just don't expect me to desist or cease.
Parappa, I know you came up here thinking you could just toss some bars at me and walk away when I couldn't rap back, but I was on epic rap battles of history. So if I might steal a few bars for myself, yes, it's true. I used to teach kids science my PBS show. Now I do. What I gotta do since I can get taught can grow. And I'm still in my prime, hitting my stride. When's the last time you were a game fan out? You're just wasting your time. Come at me with those sweet ass rhymes. You don't want to mess with the bad Bill Nye? I go sharp like a needle in your eye. And you're gonna regret that we have it in me because I hypothesized that you're gonna get beat.
Are you really trying to be serious? I can't deny it that right now I'm furious. I gotta do what? I gotta do what? If you'd have stuck to science, I honestly would have praised you. Why'd you have to go and make a mockery of what I do? I
can't believe someone like you would disrespect me. You think all it takes is a couple bars to be an MC? Well, the joke's on you, because I can't prepare with the formula for how we're compared. Honestly, you better be scared, because clear, this dog E equals MC squared!
Man, you're a dog, but you ain't no Snoop. You ain't Dr. Dre, you're barely Dr. Zeus. But Zeus had better rhyme, better timing, and it's hard to hit better lining, and I know that I'm not lying because you're up here freaking dying. I know you think you got a formula there, but I've seen real science you just can't compare. But I gotta give you credit, that was a really good try, but you're up against Bill Nye the Science Guy!
All right, CWF Universe. We need to pick one winner and see who will leave CarrierCon 2024 the best of all time. Is it Forever the Rapper? Or is it Bill Nye the Science Guy? I made my decision.
What happened to democracy?
Matters democracy!
So give it up for the winner of Boat Show 2024 for the best of all time title. Come on, come on. Give it up for our new champion! I gotta do what? I gotta do what? Thank you and good night!
You all have a wonderful time. Please make sure you connect with our social media and find anything about the Cosplay Wrestling Federation. You can find us on various social medias, whether it be Facebook, X, or Instagram. Follow us as we go to various conventions and events here and there throughout California.
I knew I had to bear when he was doing Parappa.
And then please check out some of our
That was a good one.
Thank you once again for everyone for participating and being part of the Cosplay Wrestling Federation. We hope you had a wonderful time. We hope to see you next time in our future events. For now, my name is Mr. Wendell. Thank you so much. Please give it up one more time for our hosts, Matt the Rockstar Ishida, and of course our CEO, the Shada. I love you, Shada! Thank you. We hope you have a wonderful rest of CarrierCon.